Lift the wind turbine as shown here. You will find the stickers as caster wheel and leg mounts. So connect this caster wheel at this place here. Just you need to screw up like this. Tight it sufficiently. Yeah. After unpacking of wind blower and wind turbine, you have to cover and slide it to the groove provided on the rack. Take second coupler and slide it into other groove. Insert the third coupler and the fourth coupler should be inserted at this below slot. Now join these two setups as shown here. Adjust this coupler so as to fit into this second rack. Apply same procedure. Now at the other hand side, just slide this coupler also tight these 4 screws in the same way by using align key. Now the setup is ready for working.